Hey guys, it's Mrs. McIntyre. I'm going to be making your math video for this upcoming week. We are going to be moving into dividing fractions. The standard that we will be working on is 5NF7B. Okay, the first model or type of problem I'm going to show you is for dividing a whole number by a unit fraction. Okay, so the problem we're going to do is 4 divided by 1/3. Okay. When thinking about how many 1/3 pieces can go into 4 wholes, I'm going to first think about how many thirds make 1 whole. And I know that 3/3 equals 1 whole. So I am going to draw 4 wholes that are of 1/3 pieces. So here you can see that I did my 4 wholes right here, but they are split into thirds because 3 of these thirds equals 1 whole. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to count up how many 1/3 pieces there are in my 4 wholes that I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I know that there are 12 1/3 pieces in 4 wholes. Okay? The next type of problem I'm you is when we do a unit fraction by a whole number. So 1/2 divided by 5 wholes. Okay? So it's important first to think about what your solution would be. If I have half of a pizza and I want to split it equally among my 5 friends, I know that everybody is going to get a piece of pizza that is less than 1/2 because I'm only starting with half of a pizza. Okay, so that I know my answer is going to be pretty small. So to divide 1/2 by 5, I'm actually going to take the reciprocal, which would be 1/5. Okay, so 1/2 divided by 5, you can see right there, is the same thing as 1/2 times 1/5. 5 and 1/5 are reciprocals. Okay? So I need to actually take then 1/5 of my half a pizza, let's say. Okay? So you guys should now be familiar with the type of model. 1/2 times 1/5. This is what we've been doing all last week. So I'm going to first draw my box. And I'm going to split it into half and shade in my half. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to split it into fifths so that my fifths and my halves are represented. And then I'm going to take one of those fifths, which is this piece right here, because my fifths were running vertically like this, as you can see. So I took one of those fifths. That leaves me then with 1 out of 10. If I counted up all my blocks. So the answer is 1/10. So in terms of my pizza, again, if I had half of a pizza and I was dividing it by my 5 friends, everybody would get 1/10 of a piece of pizza. And don't forget, 5 and 1/5 are reciprocals. So if you were to do 1/2 divided by 5, it's the same thing as doing 1/2 times 1/5. Okay? This might be a little confusing for you at first. Don't worry. We're going to have tomorrow and Monday to work through these problems together using both whole numbers by unit fractions and unit fractions by whole numbers. Don't forget to do your whack and come to class tomorrow with any questions. All right, guys, I'll see you then.